Welcome to Office Crafters. In today's video, we're going to show you that how to create a professional resume in Microsoft Word. Whether you're applying for your first job or looking to update your resume, this tutorial will help you to create a standout resume quickly and easily. So, let's get started. The first step is to choose a resume template. Microsoft Word offers a variety of bulletin templates that are both professional and customizable. To find a template, open Microsoft Word. Click on File, then New, and type Resume into the search bar. You will see a selection of resume templates. Choose one that suits your style, and then click Create. Now, let's customize the template to make it your own. Start by filling in your name, contact information, and professional summary. Be sure to use a clear, easy to read font like Arial or Calibri. I'm gonna choose Arial font for my resume. Next, update the sections for work, experience. Now comes the education. Update the sections for education. Now update the sections for your skills and hobbies. Highlight your achievements in bullet points for easy reading. Use action words like managed, developed, and implemented to describe your roles. Formatting is the key to making your resume look professional. So here are some tips. Number 1. Keep your font size between 10 and 12 points. I'm gonna keep my font size 10. Number 2. Use bold and italics to emphasize important information, but don't overdo it. Number 3. Maintain consistent spacing and alignment throughout the document. Number 4. Make sure your resume is no longer than one page, especially if you have less than 10 years of experience. Once you are happy with your resume, it's time to save and export it. For this purpose, click on File, then Save As, and choose a location on your computer. Save your resume as a PDF to ensure the formatting stays intact when you send it to potential employers. Simply select PDF from the file type drop-down menu and click Save. And there you have it, a professional resume ready to impress your employers. Remember to tailor your resume for each job application by highlighting your experience and skills. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to Office Crafters for more Microsoft Office tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.